Slider windows are a popular choice in Mandeville homes thanks to their simple operation, wide views, and ability to bring in natural light. But like any window style, they don't last forever. If your current slider windows are sticking, drafty, or showing signs of wear, replacement may be the right move. Before making that investment, here's what Mandeville homeowners should know to ensure a smooth and successful upgrade. Understand why you're replacing them. Start by identifying the issues you're experiencing. Common problems with older slider windows include difficulty opening and closing drafts and air leaks, condensation between glass panes, warped or damaged frames, increased outside noise. In Mandeville's warm, humid climate, moisture and temperature fluctuations can take a toll on window seals and tracks. Knowing the exact problem helps you choose the right replacement features. Energy efficiency matters in Mandeville. Humidity and heat are key factors in Mandeville. Older single-pane slider windows allow heat to transfer easily, forcing your air conditioning system to work harder. When replacing old slider windows, look for double or triple pane glass, low emissivity coatings, argon gas-filled insulated vinyl or fiberglass frames. These features help reduce heat gain, maintain stable indoor temperatures, and improve overall comfort. Energy-efficient windows can also lower monthly cooling costs, an important consideration in Louisiana's climate. Pay attention to frame materials. The frame material you choose will impact durability and maintenance needs. Vinyl frames are popular because they resist moisture, won't rot, and require minimal upkeep. They're especially well suited for humid environments like Mandeville. Fiberglass frames offer added strength and dimensional stability, expanding and contracting less with temperature changes. Avoid materials that are prone to warping or moisture damage, especially in areas exposed to frequent rain and humidity. Consider upgraded glass options. Slider windows often feature large glass areas, which makes glass quality especially important. In addition to energy-efficient coatings, you may want to consider laminated glass for noise reduction, tinted glass for glare control, impact-resistant glass for added security. If your home is near a busy road or active neighborhood, upgraded glass can significantly improve indoor quietness. Don't overlook proper installation. Even the best window won't perform well if installed incorrectly. Poor installation can lead to air leaks, water intrusion, and reduced energy efficiency. Professional installation ensures accurate measurements, proper sealing and insulation, smooth operation of the sliding track. Long-term durability. In Mandeville, where heavy rains are common, correct flashing and sealing are essential to prevent moisture issues. Think about long-term maintenance. Modern slider windows are designed with improved track systems that reduce dirt buildup and sticking. Some models offer easy clean features or removable sashes. Ask about maintenance requirements before choosing your replacement. A low-maintenance design will save you time and effort over the years. Improve curb appeal. At the same time, replacing old slider windows isn't just about performance. It's also an opportunity to refresh your home's appearance. Updated frame colors, cleaner sightlines, and modern grid patterns can enhance both interior and exterior aesthetics. Matching your new windows to your home's architectural style ensures a cohesive look. A smart upgrade for Mandeville homes. Replacing old slider windows is a meaningful investment in comfort, efficiency, and long-term value. By choosing energy-efficient glass, durable frame materials, and professional installation, Mandeville homeowners can enjoy smoother operation, better insulation, and improved indoor comfort. Taking the time to understand your options ensures your new slider windows perform beautifully, season after season.